Alright, so here's how to make a Lego belly song or butterfly knife, whatever you want to call it. Here's all the pieces you'll be needing. Alright, now let's get to it. Alright, step one, take this, and take these two parts, connect them like that, and then take this black piece, do the same thing, and do this. Make sure it looks like this, and then take this part, take the, what you call the blade, put it like this, and then take this piece, put it right here, and then put this piece right here, and then connect them like that. And it should be looking like this. And then you should slide this piece on. Put the tab in here. And this will make it more stable to flip. It looks like this. Now he's on the customization options if you want. I'll take these pieces. Put them like that. Do the same on each side. And then take these triangle pieces, put them like this, and make sure they're facing the. Make sure you have they're facing the opposite directions when you put them on. So one's facing up, so one's facing down, and do the same on the other side, like that. And then take these long pieces, don't know what to call them, and then put them on. These pieces are the same as these, but they just broke, so don't get your head twisted. And then you put them on like that. And then you can do the same like this.